Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lina.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Adam, and I'm very happy you're here today.
Hello, Adam. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to be here with you today.
It really is. The studio feels calm and warm today.
Yes, it does. It feels cozy, like a winter day.
Exactly. Lina, how are you feeling today?
I feel good, but a little tired.
A little tired? Why tired?
Well, Christmas was busy, very busy, but in a good way.
Ah, I understand. Busy but happy.
Yes, busy and happy. How about you, Adam?
I feel relaxed today. Christmas is over and things feel calm now.
That sounds nice. Calm is good after Christmas.
I agree. Christmas can be exciting, but also tiring.
Very true. So, Adam, are we talking about Christmas today?
Yes, we are. Today, we're talking about Christmas and our memories.
Oh, I love that. Christmas memories are special.
They really are. But before we start, Lina, we should say something.
Oh, yes, of course.
To everyone listening, thank you for being here. If you enjoy our conversations, please like and subscribe.
Yes, and share the video with your friends, especially friends learning English.
Thank you so much. Okay, Lina, let's start.
Okay, I'm ready.
So, Lina, let me ask you a simple question. How did you celebrate Christmas?
Good question. I celebrated Christmas with my family.
That sounds lovely. Did you stay home or travel?
I traveled. I went to my parents' house.
Oh, nice. Was it far?
A little far, about 2 hours by car.
2 hours is not too bad. How was the drive?
The drive was slow. There were many cars on the road.
Yes, Christmas traffic is always heavy.
Exactly. But I listened to music, so it was okay.
Music helps a lot. What music did you listen to?
Christmas songs, old songs and happy songs.
That's perfect for Christmas. So when you arrived, who was there?
Everyone was there. My mom, my dad, my sister, and my uncle.
A full house.
Yes, very full and very noisy.
Noisy families are the best.
They really are. Everyone was talking at the same time.
I can imagine. What did you do first?
First, I hugged everyone. Then we talked and laughed.
That's the best feeling. Did you help with cooking?
Yes, I did. I helped my mom in the kitchen.
What did you cook?
We cooked a big dinner. We had chicken, rice, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
It was. We also made soup because it was cold.
Soup is perfect in winter. Did you enjoy cooking?
Yes, but it was tiring. We cooked for many hours.
I understand. Cooking for family takes time.
But it was worth it. Everyone enjoyed the food.
That makes it special. Did you eat together?
Yes, we all sat at the table together.
That's very nice. How did you feel at that moment?
I felt happy and thankful. It felt warm and safe.
That's beautiful, Lina. Christmas is about those feelings.
Yes, not just gifts. It's about people.
Exactly. Speaking of gifts, did you exchange gifts?
Yes, we did. We gave small gifts to each other.
What gift did you receive?
I received a scarf. It's soft and blue.
Blue is a nice color. Did you like it?
I loved it. I wore it the next day.
That's great. And what gift did you give?
I gave my mom a candle. She loves candles.
That's a thoughtful gift.
She was very happy. She smiled a lot.
That's the best part of giving gifts.
Yes, seeing people happy. Adam, what about you?
My Christmas was very different.
Oh, really? Tell me.
I stayed at home this year.
At home? Alone or with family?
Alone. I wanted a quiet Christmas.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. I slept late and woke up slowly.
That sounds nice too.
I made breakfast for myself. Simple breakfast.
What did you make?
Eggs and toast, and a big cup of coffee.
Coffee makes everything better.
Yes, it does. Then I watched a movie.
A Christmas movie?
Of course, a funny Christmas movie.
Did you laugh?
Yes, a lot. I laughed and relaxed.
That sounds like a perfect quiet day.
It really was. In the evening, I cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
Pasta. Easy and quick.
I love pasta. Did you add sauce?
Yes, tomato sauce. Simple but tasty.
Nice. Did you feel lonely at all?
A little, but I called my family.
That helps.
Yes, hearing their voices felt good.
So we had very different Christmas days.
Yes, but both were good.
That's true. Christmas doesn't have one rule.
Exactly. Busy or quiet, both are okay.
I like that. Christmas is personal.
Very personal. And now Christmas is over.
Yes, now we're back to normal life.
But we keep the memories.
Always. Good memories stay with us.
So, Lina, after dinner, what did you do?
After dinner, we stayed at the table. We talked for a long time.
Talking after dinner is very common. Did you talk about old memories?
Yes, many old memories. My parents love to talk about the past.
Parents always do. What kind of memories did they share?
They talked about my childhood, funny stories, embarrassing stories.
Oh no, embarrassing stories are dangerous.
Very dangerous. Everyone laughed, even me.
That's good. Laughing together is important.
Yes, it makes everyone feel close. We laughed a lot that night.
Did you play games after that?
Yes, we did. We played cards.
Cards are fun. Who won?
My dad won. He always wins.
He sounds very confident.
Too confident. He smiled the whole night.
That's a good Christmas smile.
Yes. Then we drank tea together.
Tea after dinner feels very relaxing.
It does. We sat on the sofa and talked.
Did you stay up late?
Yes, very late. Almost midnight.
Wow, that's late for a family night.
I know, but time went very fast.
Good conversations do that.
Exactly. I didn't feel tired at all.
How did you feel the next morning?
Oh, very tired, but happy.
Happy tired again.
Yes, happy tired. I slept late the next day.
That sounds nice. What about breakfast?
My mom made breakfast. Simple breakfast.
What did you eat?
Bread, eggs, and fruit, and tea.
Healthy breakfast. Did you go out that day?
Yes, we went for a walk. Just a short walk.
Walking after big meals is good.
Yes, the weather was cold but sunny.
Cold and sunny is nice in winter.
I agree. We talked and walked slowly.
Sounds peaceful.
It was. Adam, your Christmas was quiet.
Yes, very quiet. But I also had small moments.
Tell me more.
On Christmas evening, I decorated my house a little.
Oh, really? What did you decorate?
I put lights near the window. Small white lights.
That sounds cozy.
It was. The room felt warm.
Did you have a tree?
No tree this year, just lights.
That's okay. Not everyone needs a tree.
Exactly. I like simple things.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, soft music. Very calm music.
Music changes the mood.
It really does. I felt relaxed.
Did you think about the year?
Yes, I did. I thought about many things.
Good things or bad things?
Both, but mostly good things.
That's nice. Christmas makes people think.
Yes, it's a quiet moment, a thinking moment.
I also thought about the year, about work and life.
What did you think about work?
Work was busy this year, very busy.
Did you feel stressed?
Sometimes, but Christmas helped me relax.
That's important. Rest is important.
Yes, I realized that.
Sometimes we forget to rest.
True, Christmas reminded me.
Did you feel sad at any moment?
A little. I missed some people.
That's normal. Holidays bring emotions.
Yes, but I felt thankful too.
Thankful for what?
For my family, for health, for small things.
That's beautiful. Small things matter.
They really do. Adam, did you miss anyone?
Yes, I missed my parents. They live far away.
Did you talk to them?
Yes, we talked on the phone. Long conversation.
That helps the heart.
It does. I felt better after that.
Christmas is emotional.
Very emotional. Happy, calm, sometimes sad.
All feelings together.
Exactly. That's what makes it special.
Do you like Christmas, Adam?
Yes, I do. Not because of gifts.
Then why?
Because it slows life down, even for a short time.
I like that answer.
What about you?
I like Christmas because of people, time together.
People make everything better.
Yes, even simple food tastes better together.
That's very true.
Adam, do you have a favorite Christmas moment?
Yes, one moment.
Tell me.
Sitting on the sofa, lights on, music playing.
Quiet moment.
Yes, no noise, just calm.
That sounds perfect.
What about you?
My favorite moment was dinner. Everyone together.
Family dinner is powerful.
It really is. I felt safe.
That's a beautiful feeling.
Yes, I want that feeling again.
We can create it anytime, not only Christmas.
You're right. That's important.
Christmas teaches us that.
Yes, it teaches us to slow down.
And to connect.
Exactly.
You know, Lina, when Christmas ends, the house feels different.
Yes, very quiet.
The lights are still there, but the feeling changes.
I feel that too. A little empty, but calm.
That calm feeling stays for a while.
Yes, it's like a soft pause.
A pause is good sometimes.
We don't pause enough.
True. Life moves fast.
Work starts again. Messages, emails, plans.
And alarms in the morning.
Oh yes, the alarm is back.
Did you feel ready to return to work?
Not really.
That's honest.
I wanted one more quiet day.
I felt the same, but work doesn't wait.
No, it doesn't.
Still, Christmas gave us energy.
Yes, good energy.
Energy from people, food, rest.
And laughter.
Laughter is powerful.
It really is. I laughed so much.
Me too, even alone.
You laughed alone?
Yes, at a funny movie.
That counts.
Of course it does.
Adam, do you feel grateful after Christmas?
Very grateful.
For what?
For simple things. A warm home. Good food.
I feel that too.
Sometimes we forget these things.
Christmas reminds us.
Yes, it brings focus back.
Back to people, back to feelings.
Exactly.
Do you like giving gifts or receiving gifts more?
Giving gifts.
Why?
Because I like reactions, smiles.
I agree. Seeing happiness feels good.
Did you give many gifts?
Not many, but meaningful ones.
Meaningful gifts are best.
Yes, I like thoughtful gifts.
Not expensive, just thoughtful.
Exactly.
After Christmas, do you keep decorations up?
For a few days, not long.
Same here.
Taking them down feels strange.
Yes, like closing a chapter.
But a new chapter starts.
That's true.
A new year is coming.
A fresh start.
Do you make plans for the new year?
Small plans.
Like what?
More rest, more balance.
That's a good plan.
What about you?
I want more time with people, less rushing.
That sounds healthy.
I hope so.
Christmas helps us see what matters.
Yes, not things, but moments.
Moments stay longer.
They stay in the heart.
You know, Lina, today we talked a lot.
Yes, we did.
We talked about Christmas dinner.
Food and family.
We talked about staying home.
Quiet and calm.
We talked about travel.
Driving, traffic, music.
We talked about feelings.
Happy, tired, thankful.
And memories.
Good memories.
I like how stories bring English alive.
Yes, stories feel natural.
When we say things like, I stayed home,
Or I went to my parents' house.
or we ate dinner together,
It feels easy,
because it's real life.
not a lesson.
Just talking.
Like friends,
That's the best way to learn.
listening and speaking.
Slowly and comfortably.
No pressure.
Exactly.
Adam, what would you say to someone learning English?
I would say, talk about your life,
Your food, your day,
your holidays.
your feelings.
Simple words are enough.
Yes, simple is good.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Everyone makes them.
Even native speakers.
True.
Adam, I really enjoyed this conversation.
Me too.
It felt warm.
Like Christmas itself.
Yes.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners something.
Yes, a simple question.
Friends listening, tell us in the comments,
How was your Christmas?
did you stay home?
Or did you travel?
What did you eat?
Who were you with?
Write 1 or 2 sentences.
Simple English is perfect.
We love reading your comments.
They make us smile.
And thank you for spending time with us.
Yes, thank you so much.
If you enjoyed this conversation, stay with us.
Subscribe to Mr. English Official.
And share this with someone learning English.
Learning is better together.
Always.
All right, Adam.
All right, Lina.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official.
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.